CBAM Advisory Services, Carbon Border Adjustment Mechanisms, full form of CBAM, Professional Advisory for Industries and Exporters, presented by URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Our email ID is info@urgsiso.com. Our mobile number is +917359458455. This is our WhatsApp number also. We are 24/7 available on WhatsApp. Please message us on WhatsApp for your query. So welcome everyone. As the world moves towards a low carbon economy, environmental regulations are becoming increasingly important for international trade. Manufacturers and exporters are now expected to demonstrate transparency in carbon emissions and align with global sustainability requirements. One of the most significant regulatory developments is the Carbon Border Adjustment Mechanism (CBAM), introduced by the European Union (EU). For organizations exporting to EU countries, CBAM is no longer just a compliance requirement. It is a strategic business priority. The I say CBAM, others may say others and other things also, but full form is Carbon Border Adjustment Mechanisms. Okay, welcome to this informative session by URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. In today's video, we will discuss what is CBAM, why CBAM matters, industries covered, CBAM reporting requirements, business impact, compliance roadmap, benefits of early preparation, and how URGS International can support your organization. Let us begin. What is CBAM? CBAM stands for Carbon Border Adjustment Mechanism. It is a European Union policy designed to ensure that imported products are subject to carbon costs similar to those paid by manufacturers operating within the EU. Its objective is to promote fair competition while encouraging industries worldwide to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. CBAM supports global climate objectives by preventing carbon leakage, where production shifts to countries with less stringent environmental regulations. Organizations exporting products to EU must now collect, monitor, and report carbon emissions associated with their products. Why CBAM is important? Global customers are increasingly selecting suppliers based on sustainability performance. CBAM encourages manufacturers to reduce carbon emissions, improve transparency, strengthen environmental performance, enhance ESG reporting, support net zero initiatives, improve resource efficiency, increase global competitiveness, maintain uninterrupted access to EU markets. Organizations that prepare early will have a significant competitive advantage in international trade. Industries covered under CBAM. CBAM initially applies to several carbon-intensive sectors. This includes iron and steel, aluminium, cement, fertilizers, hydrogen, electricity. As CBAM evolves, additional sectors may be included. Organizations supplying components, raw materials, or finished products to these industries should also prepare for future compliance requirements. Key CBAM requirements. To comply with CBAM, organizations need to establish reliable systems for measuring and reporting carbon emissions. Key requirements include collection of production data, calculation of embedded emissions, monitoring greenhouse gas emissions, accurate documentation, supply chain data management, emission reporting, record maintenance, verification support, carbon accounting, environmental performance monitoring. Proper documentation is essential for demonstrating compliance with customer and regulatory expectations. Business impact of CBAM. CBAM is transforming international trade. Organizations that delay preparation may face higher compliance costs, reporting challenges, supply chain disruptions, loss of export opportunities, customer concerns, competitive disadvantages. In contrast, Organizations that invest in carbon management benefit from improved customer confidence, enhanced export readiness, better sustainability performance, reduced regulatory risks, greater operational efficiency, improved ESG ratings, long-term business resilience. CBAM should be viewed as an opportunity to strengthen business performance rather than simply a regulatory obligation. Building a CBAM compliance strategy. A structured CBAM compliance strategy typically includes gap assessment, carbon data collection, emission monitoring, GHG inventory development, product carbon footprint assessment, supply chain carbon analysis, data verification, documentation management, internal awareness training, continuous improvement, integration with ESG programs. A proactive approach helps organizations reduce compliance risks while improving operational performance. International standards supporting CBAM. Several internationally recognized standards support organizations in developing reliable carbon management systems. These include ISO 14064 Greenhouse Gas Quantification and Verification, ISO 14067 Product Carbon Footprint, ISO 14001 Environmental Management Systems, ISO 50001 Energy Management Systems. These standards help organizations establish robust environmental management practices and improve the accuracy of carbon reporting. Why choose URGS International? URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited provides comprehensive CBAM advisory services for industries and exporters. Our services include CBAM readiness assessment, gap analysis, carbon emissions assessment, embedded emissions calculation support, carbon data management, CBAM documentation, supply chain carbon assessment, GHG inventory development, product carbon footprint assessment, ISO 14064 support, ISO 14067 support, ESG integration, decarbonization roadmaps, executive training, regulatory guidance. Our experienced professionals work closely with organizations to simplify CBAM implementation while supporting sustainable business growth and global trade compliance. At last, closing summary, what we discussed. CBAM represents a major shift in international trade and environmental compliance. Organizations that prepare today will be better positioned to maintain access to European markets, strengthen customer relationships, improve sustainability performance, and remain globally competitive. If your organization is exposed to the European Union or is preparing for future carbon reporting requirements, URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited is a trusted partner for professional CBAM advisory services. Contact us, URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Our email ID is info@urgsiso.com. Our mobile number is +91 7359458455. This is our WhatsApp number. We are 24/7 available on WhatsApp. Please message your query first through WhatsApp. Thank you.